let's go for something. What is the, yeah, what is factory method? What is factory method? Tell me, guys. The method that is capable of creating and returning either its own class object, related class object, or unrelated class object is called factory method. Everyone getting my point? Factory method don't have any restrictions, guys. The method that is capable of creating and returning either own class object or related class object or unrelated class object. In fact, come on, capable of returning object. In fact, capable of returning object was. In fact, capable of returning object. Okay. Is called factory method. Okay. Different types of factory methods. Tell me various types of factory methods, guys. Tell me how many types of factory methods we are having, my dears. Okay, we have two types of factory methods, guys. Yeah, tell me what they are. Static factory method. Static factory method, number one. Okay. Tell me what is this? Invocable on the class name. Invocable on the class name, guys. Invocable on the class name. Examples. Thread T is equal to thread dot current thread. Okay. Returning its own class object. Next, class C is equal to class dot for name of Java dot util dot date, returning its own class object. Next one, calendar cal is equal to calendar dot get instance. Calendar cal is equal to calendar dot get instance. Tell me, guys, calendar is an abstract class. Get instance method is returning same class object. No, not returning. Returning related class object. Come on, what is that? Related class object. Returns Gregorian calendar class object, which is a subclass of calendar class, which is seriously subclass of what? Calendar class. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Gregorian calendar. Array, calendar class is an abstract class, ra babu. Superclass reference variable can refer subclass object or not, like that. Returning Another example, guys. It returns unrelated class object. No relation, nothing, guys. No relation between current class and other things. System dot get properties. Properties props is equal to system dot get properties. Is there any link between, guys? Unrelated class object. Unrelated class object. No relationship between properties and system class. What is that? No relation between java.lang. System class and properties class. Java.util.properties class. Yes or no? Na? Right, boss. Yes, I think. Can I go for one more example? Can you tell me one more example of this kind of thing? Unrelated class objects. Driver manager dot get connection ra babu. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Is there any relation between driver manager and get connection, guys? Unrelated class object. Returns unrelated class objects. Returns unrelated class object. Is there any relationship, guys? Non-static method, guys. What is that? Non-static method. Okay. Yes, non-static factory method, guys. Tell me. Non-static factory method. Invocable on Java class object. Simply literally invocable on Java class object, guys. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Invocable on Java class object. Example, guys. Invocable on Java class object was. Right. Tell me. String S is equal to new string of. Okay. Hey, this is not. This is normal method only. This is normal one only, guys. String S is equal to this one. String S1 is equal to S dot concate of hello. Tell me, guys. Gives okay hello, right? Gives okay hello. What is this, guys? What is this? Returning same class object. Seriously, returning same class object, boss. Seriously, returning same class object. Oh, concata, sorry. Concate. S dot concate of hello. Returning same class object. Returning same class object, boss. Right. But instance, because this it's invocable on same class object. Example 2. Example 2. Tell me. String buffer. string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of hello. New string buffer of hello. Tell me guys, string S1 is equal to hello, how are you? SB dot substring of 0, 5 gives hello. SB dot substring of 0, 5 guys. Are you comfortable, my dears? Getting my point, guys? Yes, guys. String S2 is equal to SB dot substring of 0, 5, which gives a hello message. Definitely gives what? Hello message, guys. Done. After that, what next? Example 3. Tell me, guys, this gives hello message. Is there any relation between string and string buffer, guys? Is there any relation between string and string relation? String buffer? No. Returning unrelated class object. Unrelated class object. Returning unrelated class object. Understanding my statement? Now I need an example returning related class object, which is an instance factory method. Speak out, speak out. Speak out any method. I think long back I used to give one method run. Now it is not striking. I want one instance factory method which is returning related class object. Come on. What else we can think on it? Guys? Related class object. Relation. Super class, subclass, that kind of relation should be there, guys. Related. Split gives what? Split function gives what, my dear? Super or subclass? String objects, but same class, na? Same class, na? I want super class, subclass objects, guys. Like calendar story. Super class method returning subclass object. Super class method returning one of its subclass object, guys. Array, their char array is not object, Nara Babu. I want relationship. I want relationship kind of thing. List dot off. Yeah, I think we can consider list dot off. Right. You are right, my dear Varda Santosh. Yeah. List string. List is equal to list dot off. 1, 2, 3. Tell me, guys, it internally returns array list class object or not, guys? What is this? But it is static method now, boss. Sorry, leave it. That is a static method now. We are looking for non-static method, Babu. We are looking for non-static method, not the static method, right? List dot off, fine. That fulfills the category. But list dot off is what? Static method of list interface, right? But we are looking for instance methods. Okay. The method of superclass should return one of its subclass object. The instance method of superclass should return one of its subclass object. Is there any predefined method of that kind, guys? No, toString method returns string na boss. ToString method returns string class object, right? I forgot, Babu. Earlier, I used to give an example, one simple example I used to give that is not striking in my mind. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Somehow not striking to my brain, guys. Java dot. Give me 2 minutes time. Java dot util dot Java dot util dot date super class. Is there any method in this class? Is there any method in this class returning SQL date class object? That is a static method. Without static, there is no this. There is no this. No. Oh, why it is not striking to my brain, guys? Next int gives int only, na boss. Related class objects, Rabab. Return type should be related class. Okay. Java dot util dot hash table. Hash table docs. Java dot util dot hash table docs, guys. Hash table docs. Subclass is this. Look at the methods. Look at the methods. Look at the methods. Yeah, previous design pattern I can look, guys, but it is again taking time now. Related class objects. One of its related class objects. One of its related class objects. 1 minute. Output stream docs, guys. Right. Implementing file output stream, file input stream. Now I'm just looking to create streams. Streams. Is there any method that returns streams, guys? All are wide only. Okay, we'll keep that in hold, guys. We'll keep that one in hold. Later we will discuss that. But there should be one or other method returning related class objects, guys. There should be relation between that and this. There should be relation between that and this. There must be relation between that and this. Related class objects. Okay, fine. We'll see that one later. Now I'm coming to my actual discussion. What is the difference between factory method and factory pattern? Okay. Factory method and factory pattern, guys. Factory method and factory pattern, boss. I think, yeah, anyone, any guesses from your side? Any guesses from your side, guys? I want reply. Any guesses from your side? Factory pattern and factory method. Factory pattern and factory method, guys. Everyone. Yes, guys. Okay, that day we covered. That day we covered only few things. Their own class objects, unrelated class objects, unrelated class objects, own object, returning unrelated class objects we discussed. But we have to discuss what? Related. That day we didn't talk subject in that angle. Hmm. Fine, fine. We will see that. We will see that one that strike. I will give that one also. Don't worry. Yeah. Now, can you come back? What is this? What is our discussion, guys? What is the difference between factory method and factory pattern, guys? Factory method and factory pattern. Got it? Shall we observe that? Factory method can create, factory method creates and returns the object. Factory method creates and returns the object. And that object can be same class object or different class object. Same class object, different class, same class object or related class object or unrelated class object. Come on. Okay. Factory pattern contains factory method. Factory method. But okay, but it always written one of the several related class object. One of the several related class object. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Conclusion. Factory method can return any Java class object. Tell me next one. Factory pattern returns one of the several related class objects. One of the several related class object. One of the several related class object. I hope you understood this point, guys. Now tell me, guys, example. Okay, example. I will take this one, guys. Which one? I will take this one, guys. System dot get properties. Props is equal to factory method, but not factory pattern. But not factory pattern. Got the clarity, guys? Next. Okay. Next one. Driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Are you with me, guys? Is factory method come factory pattern. I think we got a crystal clear clarity, guys. Factory method come factory method, guys. Sorry, factory method come factory pattern. Factory method come factory pattern. Now tell me. Okay. String S is equal to any object dot any obj dot to string. Tell me. Any object dot to string. Factory method or factory pattern? Factory method only, but not factory pattern. but not factory pattern. What do you say? Because it is returning string class object. It is happily returning string class object. What do you say, guys? It is happily returning string class object. Are you understanding my statement? Yes, boss. Now tell me next one. Next one. Statement ST is equal to statement ST is equal to here connection con is equal to create statement. Tell me it returns one of the related class object or not? Array, there are so many people implementing statement interface. It will return one of the related class object. Tell me, factory method come factory pattern. Basically, it returning object. That's why factory method. But in that process, it is returning what? One of the several related class objects. That's why it is what? Factory method come factory pattern, guys. That's why it is going to be factory method come factory pattern. Are you with me, guys? Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Okay. Yeah. So this is the difference between factory pattern and factory method. That means factory pattern uses factory method in a controlled manner. What manner, guys? Factory pattern uses factory method in a controlled manner. Okay, controlled manner. I hope you are understanding my statement. So definitely it uses in what? Controlled manner. Not in a regular manner. It uses in a controlled manner. Everyone getting my point? Okay. Super, guys. Now tell me. Why I'm searching here and there? Actually, I was searching for predefined method. I'm searching for predefined method. So let us assume we designed one method like this. Car factory. Look at yesterday's one. Car factory, our own class. Factory is equal to new car factory of. Cool. Now tell me. Car one is equal to factory dot get car. Factory dot get car. Come on. Factory dot get car. What is this? Budget. Tell me, guys. Gives related class object. Actually, it returns what, guys? Okay, budget car object, which is extending whose class? Budget car, object of budget car class. Budget car class extends from car class. I think we can take yesterday's example now. Why that one and this one? Maybe ready-made one, it takes time to search and find out, guys. Okay. But here this is returning one of the several related class objects or not. Come on. It is returning one of the several related class objects. Understanding my statement? Okay, boss. Right. In future also you will get more examples. Mostly generally user defined on only we have seen, guys. Now listen, guys. Listen. But calendar is an abstract class, Ra Babu. Yeah. 3 factory patterns. 3 types of factory design pattern. Don't confuse. Okay. Next, number 1, factory pattern. Number 2, factory method pattern. No. Factory method is different. Factory method design pattern. Next. Okay. Abstract factory pattern. Abstract factory pattern. Okay. All the three patterns use factory method. Right, guys. Factory method is Java terminology. Java terminology. Java terminology, which says, okay, which says a Java method who create and return object. A Java method who create and return object. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Factory method pattern is design pattern which internally uses understanding my statement. Okay, so many people confuse themselves. They never agree factory method pattern is there. They think that factory pattern is factory method. No, factory method pattern is different. Factory method is different. Factory method pattern is a design pattern which internally uses factory pattern with factory method. Factory pattern with factory method. So, so final conclusion is, okay, both are different. If someone asks factory method, talk about factory method only. When someone talks about factory method pattern, then talk about factory method design pattern. Okay, right now our target is to launch what, guys? Factory method pattern. Factory method pattern, which is a design pattern. You don't know, lots of people don't have clarity on all these things, guys. These many days you heard all these terminologies. Okay, at least you got the clarity today. When to use the word factory method, when to use the word factory pattern, when to use the word factory method pattern. Today I will give clarity of factory method pattern, guys. Okay, guys. Now listen. Yeah. Okay, now onwards, I'll make you people to habituate writing single liners. Whenever I launch new design patterns regarding previous design pattern, I will give single liners. Okay, allows to create only one object. Factory pattern. Okay, provides abstraction on. This single liner should be there in your brain. Because when interviewer asks the question, single liner should be struck in your brain, guys. Single liner should be struck in your brain. Based on that, you have to give rest of the answer. Okay. Provides abstraction on object creation. Provides abstraction on object creation. Okay. Factory method pattern. Yeah. I'll bring that one. I'll bring this one in the next one. When I launch next design pattern, this single liner I will give. Here I will officially introduce. When multiple factories are there, creating objects of same family classes. That means same hierarchy related classes. Same hierarchy related classes. That means same family classes. Okay. To make all the factories following same standards to create and return object, we need factory method pattern. That means it is there giving guidance to factories. It is there giving guidance to factories. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. If multiple factories are creating and returning same family classes objects. Okay. Same family classes objects. That means related classes objects having common superclass or interface. Okay. Then we need factory method pattern to make all the factories to create objects by using same standards. Okay, to make all the factories to create objects by using same standards. Okay, I'll take one real life example, then I will explain nicely, guys. You know Bajaj bike? Tell me, guys, what are the models of the Bajaj bike we are having, guys? What are the models we are having in Bajaj bike? Tell me. Models ra babu. Model names ra babu. Pulsar bike is there, right? Pulsar bike. Next. Platina bike. Other bikes ra babu. Other bikes. Discover is there. Discover bike. They are not releasing new models nowadays. I think recently they have released by using the metal of something. By using the metal of some INS Virat. Virat. What is that? What is the bike name? Virat bike, Vikrant bike. What is the name of the bike, ra babu? Okay, Vikrant model, INS Vikrant something. Okay, Vikrant bike. Okay. Yes, guys. Tell me, guys, can I say these are same family class? You may take this one as abstract class. Abstract class or interface. Yeah, this is a class, guys. This is a class, guys. This is a class. Can we say these are same family class objects? These are same family classes, na boss? Same family classes because they are having common classes. They are having common superclass or commonly implemented interface. Common superclass or commonly implemented interface. Say something, my dears. Come on. Super. Now listen. See, India is a big country. One factory is sufficient. They need multiple factories. They need multiple factories to manufacturing, right? Okay. Manufacturing factories. Manufacturing factories for Bajaj bike. Bajaj bike. Right, guys. I'm assuming for South, they have kept a factory in Chennai. Chennai factory. For North people, yeah. North people, though India is a big country, but we have less west side and less east side. So entire max. Okay, north people. Let us assume they kept a factory in north people. They kept a factory in Noida, Gurgaon. Are so a lot of. Okay, Noida. Am I right? Noida factory. Okay, Noida Bajaj factory, guys. First, try to understand the concept, Babu. Coding becomes easy if you understand the concept. Yes, guys. Chennai Bajaj factory. Okay, Bajaj factory. Pune factory. Yeah, fine. Pune factory. Whatever factory you think, Babu. Chennai Bajaj factory, Noida Bajaj factory. Somehow, these people are following this process. What is the process? First they are assembling. Then they are doing painting. Okay. Then they are doing painting. Okay. Then they are doing engine test. Then they are doing road test. Then they are releasing. But when it comes to Noida factory, guys, first they are doing painting, boss. Then assembling. Then they are doing what? Engine test. Without road test, they are releasing. But as part of standard, somehow road test is missing, boss. Somehow road testing is missing. Otherwise, road test is there. Engine test is missing. Okay. Now listen. If you do painting after assembling, in the let us assume 2 factories are there. One factory is following this standard, one factory is following this standard. Because 2 independent factories, now they have a freedom. I'm explaining the problem, Babu. I'm explaining the problem, right? Okay, I'm explaining the problem. Yeah. Here, both factories are creating. Same Bajaj bike family. Same Bajaj bike family class objects. Family classes objects. Since both factories are independent factories, since both factories are what, guys? Independent factories. They are following their own standards. While manufacturing the bike. Nothing but creating objects. Due to this, quality differences are coming. In the same family bikes. That means same company bikes. Yeah. This time what? Because, okay, customers have realized this, guys. Somehow this secret is out. And then what happens? The north person comes to what? Hyderabad, Chennai kind of location, purchases the bike company and goes to North India. If at all he is interested in Bajaj bike. If he is not interested in Bajaj bike, tell me what happens. Tell me what happened. He may move to other company. He may move to Honda company, Hero company, and others. That means it's a loss to the company or not? Loss to the company or not? For South consumers. Yes, guys. For North customers. Are you getting my point, guys? Are you getting my point? Okay. Now listen. So this kind of things are going to work out, guys. Bajaj bike in Delhi is low quality. Bajaj bike in Chennai is high quality. Bajaj bike in Nepal is low quality. Bajaj bike in other country is low quality. Bajaj bike in X country is good quality. Is it going to really work out, guys? Is it going to really work out, guys? It will affect the brand name of the company or not? Definitely it will affect the brand name of the company or not? I want reply, my dears. Definitely it disturbs the brand name of the company or not? I want reply, boss. Okay, for example, you take KFC, boss, or McD. You eat KFC burger or McD burger anywhere in the world, same quality, same taste will come, right? That's why the restaurants are surviving in the today's market, right? KFC, McD, Pizza Hut. What is the specialty of these international brands, guys? You eat their pizzas anywhere in the world, same quality and same taste is promised. It's their responsibility to provide same quality and same taste all over the world. Consistency they will maintain, right? But you take Paradise Hotel of Hyderabad, great taste, great quality. Same Paradise opened in Delhi, same Paradise open in Bangalore. So do you think that kind of remarks are there for that? Paradise Hotel is there in Bangalore. Paradise Hotel is also there in what? Hyderabad. But Paradise Bangalore is not having good remarks. Only Hyderabad Paradise is having good remarks. I think if you are like a spicy food, in Bangalore also Krutunga restaurant is there. In Hyderabad also Krutunga restaurant is there, right? In Hyderabad also we are having Krutunga restaurant. But where you will get quality food? Do you think they are maintaining same quality, same standard, same taste in two cities? No. See, our Indian restaurants are failing to give. Understanding my point, guys? Your Indian restaurants are failing to give same quality across the multiple branches. But when it comes to, guys, when it comes to international brands, they created such a streamline, such a standard. Okay. Are you with me, guys? So that means what, guys? What might on all the stores of KFC, on all the stores of McD, one super factory is there, one monitoring mechanism is there, ensuring all the stores are going to follow same standards. If anyone not followed in standard, that is not allowed. They are forced to follow standards. Come on, guys. They are forced to follow the standards. And the one that makes all factories to follow same standards towards object creation is nothing but factory method pattern. Is nothing but factory method pattern. Understanding my statement, guys? Solution, guys. Solution. factory method pattern. It is the super class. It is the super class for multiple factories for the above multiple factories who are creating objects of same family classes providing standards for them. What is that, guys? Providing standards to them towards objects creation. That means it pressurizes them to follow the rules. Okay, guys. Bajaj factory, guys. This is a factory method, guys. Factory method pattern. Here, what is this? Abstract painting. Painting is a rule now. Next, abstract assembling. Abstract engine test. Abstract, I'm giving the only plan today. Abstract, tell me what is this? Abstract, what is this? Abstract road test. Next, abstract road test. All these are method declarations, guys. Okay, abstract create bike. Create bike string type. Create bike string type. Painting method, assembling method. Come on. Road engine test method, road test method. All these are method declarations, guys. All these are method declaration. Okay, what is this? Method declarations. Right, but it is also having one more method called, okay, public. It is also having one more method called, what is that, guys? Public. It is definitely having one more method called, okay, one common method, guys. I will make my, okay, public Bajaj bike order bike. Bajaj bike order bike. Okay, given to clients, guys. Okay, what it is doing, guys? Going to call only basic idea, guys. Bajaj bike is equal to, it is going to call create bike method, here string type. Yeah, now tell me, Bajaj bike is equal to create bike of type. On that bike, we are going to call painting method. Okay. Now tell me here, assembling method, guys. You will enjoy. Problem you will enjoy, coding you will enjoy. Don't lose your focus. Assembling method. Next, engine test method. Engine test method. Okay. Road test method. Road test method. Return bike, guys. What, guys? Return bike. Yeah, this is my what is this? Factory method. This is my super class, guys. Super class for factory. For factories. Super class for factories, guys. Everyone getting my point? Okay. Now I'm taking Chennai factory, boss. I'm taking Chennai factory. Chennai factory extends from what? Extends from what? Bajaj factory. Extends from Bajaj factory. Come on, come on. And forced to implement all these methods or not, guys? Forced to implement painting method. Is there anything there they can miss? Is there anything they can miss, guys? If missed, they cannot take this one as a concrete class. If missed, they cannot take this one as a concrete class. What do you say, guys? Okay. Painting, assembling, painting, assembling. Next. Tell me next one. Engine test. Okay. As usually, what is this, guys? Engine test, then road test. Yes. And similarly, they are even forced to implement this method, create bike method, guys. They're even forced to implement which method, guys? Create bike method or not? They're even forced to implement what method? Create bike method, right? Bajaj bike. Bajaj bike. Create bike, guys. String type. It will have logic to create and return bike object. Return bike. Somehow same factory logic will be there, guys. Based on the type of the bike, it will return logic. Okay, factory logic. Factory logic, guys. Now listen, Chennai factory is ready. Now tell me, guys, and Noida factory also forced to follow same standards or not? Noida factory also extending from Bajaj factory. And total how many abstract methods are there? Total how many abstract methods are there? 5 are there. It is also forced to implement all the abstract methods or not? Noida factory. For north consumers. Now tell me, guys, these people also forced to implement all the methods? For north consumers. Super, guys. Now listen, guys. Customer 1. Okay. South. From south. What he will do? Bajaj factory. Factory is equal to new Chennai factory of new Chennai factory. Array, superclass reference variable can have subclass object or not? Can refer subclass object. Okay. If possible, you can take this one as abstract class. If not possible, you must take abstract class. Why? Array, when abstract methods are there, definitely we should take this Bajaj factory class as abstract class or not? Superclass reference variable can refer subclass object or not. Now listen guys. Bajaj bike is equal to factory dot order bike. I said Pulsar. Are you with me, guys? Now tell me, when you call order bike Pulsar, control goes to what? Order bike method. What order bike method is internally calling? Create bike method. Create bike. Right now, what is the invocation object? Chennai factory. So control goes to what? Chennai factory class, right? Control goes to Chennai factory class. Now tell me, guys. Chennai factory is going to return Bajaj Pulsar class object, guys. Yes, now we got Bajaj Pulsar class object here. On that, painting is done, assembling is done, engine test is done, road test is done, then bike is returned. So bike is returned to customer having everything or not. Bike is returned to customer having all the standards or not, guys. Okay. Customer 2. Now any customer can use any factory, but you will get same quality food or not. Now what happened? Our Bajaj company is now like a KFC, McD kind of companies or not. Now our Bajaj company is now like KFC, McD company. All over the world, same standards will be followed or not. Yes, that's the reason sometimes we don't taste, don't like. Sometimes we don't like those taste, guys, because all over the world they try to give same taste. Yes or no? Na? Okay, Noida fact. Today I have given just a plan, guys. I think plan only making you goosebumps, right? Now listen, this time you observe this. Superclass reference variable pointing to Chennai Bajaj factory. Okay. Chennai Bajaj factory. Right, guys. Tell me. Order bike method of superclass is called. Order bike method. Create bike is called. Right now, what is invocation object? No idea factory. Right now, what is current invocation object? Noida factory is the current invocation object. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Super boss. Yes. Bajaj bike, create bike type. Create bike type. Now tell me next one. Bike dot painting. Tell me, guys. Create bike of this is executed. You will get Pulsar class of bike. Pulsar bike or Discover bike, whatever it is. On that again painting, again assembling, again engine test, again road test, again returning bike. So this bike also coming with full standards or not? This bike also going to come with full standards or not? Tell me, can I say this is the factory method pattern? Factory method pattern super class for multiple factories, providing standards to factories towards creating object, so that though multiple factories are creating objects of same family classes, but there is a guarantee all factories are going to use same standards towards object creation. Like this KFC food, McD food, or any, see, you purchase Benz car anywhere in India, same quality. Anywhere in the world, same quality. Yes or no? Na? You purchase Samsung TV anywhere in the world, same quality, because all of them are indirectly involving this kind of super factory, guys. This kind of factory method pattern, imposing standards on all the factories. Imposing standards on all the factories. Enjoyed today's explanation, guys? Okay. So Array, this is factory method pattern. This is factory pattern. This is factory. Here what is involved? Factory pattern is involved. Here what is involved? Factory pattern is involved. Okay. Yeah, today wantedly I have not given code. When we meet in next class, I will give problem code first, then solution code. Sir, generally you will teach first problem, then you will explain the solution code. But today you have given blueprint of problem code and solution code. Why? Okay. Muddy fellow, Varda Santosh, if object is not created for factory, how this order bike will call on this one, boss? Your factory object is required. Definitely object is required. Your factory class object is definitely required. But we are using services of what? Super factory, Bajaj factory. But are we creating object for that? No. We are creating only one of the factory class objects. Guys, you understood how the super class developed for both factories is imposing standards for both factories towards creating object with standards? I think you are seeing core Java in a different perspective. Did you ever seen core Java in this angle? It's definitely making you more matured programmers or not. Earlier factory means great thing. Array, now factory goli maro, factory method is there, factory pattern is there, now factory method pattern is there. So now onwards, use your terminologies carefully. Carefully means carefully. Okay, guys. Yeah, factory method pattern is a super class monitoring its sub-factories. Okay. Now central government also imposing COVID-9 rules for all the states. These rules are going to be same for all the states or not? Okay, though every state is controlling COVID in their own style, but there are some standards that every state should follow. RBI kind of thing on banks, IRDA kind of thing for insurance companies, try for telecommunications companies, try for telecommunication companies. It is something like that, right? Factory method pattern is like, okay guys, RBI for banks, okay, try for insurance companies, telecom companies, IRDA for insurance companies, and etc. Everyone got it? SEBI for share markets, right. And I can give a number of examples. Okay, one important announcement. Okay, that is tomorrow onwards, for a few days, you will be having Pongal vacation. But don't sit idle in Pongal vacation. I will give some videos to watch. Please watch. Please watch, guys. Project release process. These three things you please watch. Next class will be on Monday, guys. Next class will be on Monday. Okay. Yeah, annotation fundamentals you watch, guys. Don't write any messages. I'm pasting something. Okay, I think Java Bean videos are required, guys. Lamba KPI even videos. Yeah, these videos you please watch and come. If you have already watched, search for new videos to watch. Right. So next class will be on Monday. That is nothing but 17th January. That is nothing but 17th January. Tomorrow to Sunday. Pongal vacation. Happy Pongal. Happy Pongal. Right. Next class will be on this. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. We'll meet on 17th, guys. We meet on 17th. That time I will give problem code and solution code of factory method pattern. Don't